Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix you have been denied permission to access this folder Windows 11 Windows 10. You can see that when trying to open a folder, the error of permission denied is generated. To correct this, right-click on the folder and choose Properties. Here in the Security tab, click on Advanced. After that, in the line Owner, click on Change. Enter the name of the user and click on Check Names to be applied. Click on OK. After this, check the box, Replace Owner on Subcontainers and Objects. When you click on Apply, you must confirm the action by clicking on Yes. Click on OK and close the window. After a moment, you can see that the user is visible in the Security section. Check that it has the appropriate permissions. Click on OK. Now you will have access to the folder without errors. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.